All right, so for my client's preseason macro cycle, I have an example here of one session of 1 day a week, just one workout from 1 day. It's a back workout and cardio with it. So we have deadlifts, bent over barbell rows, wide grip lat pull downs, dumbbell rows, and close grip cable lat pull downs. And I have 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps on all of them, with a 70 to 80% volume for each set. The 70 to 80% volume is correlates with the 8 to 10 reps for the rep range. This is increasing a little bit from the off season, and then in the on season we'll be doing a little bit more. But this volume load is just to again get him acclimated to what he'll be doing in the competition season. So each exercise works a little bit different parts of the back muscles, so that at the end of the workout we hit every single muscle on the back, and that is because it's necessary, because for the bodybuilding competition the judges are looking at every single muscle for them to be developed evenly and everything. So that's why we're doing a little bit of all the muscles on the back, and that's to help the goals, again, just because the judges will be looking at that. For bodybuilding, you need a very symmetrical look throughout every single muscle in your body. So that's the preseason macro cycle.